Hey guys, it's Ayer from Yugatech, and in this video, we're going to be talking about sports. Well, specifically, how teams in sports work well together in order to get that win. No, you're on the right channel, so don't close that tab just yet. Just hear me out, okay? Now, in sports, as the saying goes, there is no I in team. Especially when it comes to team games or team sports, there is no one person carrying everyone else. Everyone still works together in unity and they still work together as a team, and they do have really good synergy in order to get that win. Without their teammates, Jordan, Kobe, and whoever else might not be able to make things run very smoothly. And it applies to all team sports like basketball, baseball, volleyball, soccer, and the like, and even applies to esports. Each person plays an important role in getting things done. And this is also true in real-life applications. Why do you think the Yugatech team works so well and efficiently? Do we? Anyway. But just like sports teams and us here at Yugatech, your laptops and all of its parts need to work well too in order to give you the best balance of performance and efficiency as possible. Just like this new HP Omen Transcend 14. So let's get on with this video, and now I'm sure you know what we're going to be talking about.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Miguel from Yugatech, and it's time to meet the starting five for your Omen Transcend Dream Team. Starting at point guard, the Visionary.
To dominate the court, you need more than just skill. You need the vision to see every play unfold. Let's see how this Omen Transcend 14 Intel gaming laptop performs as we try to play one of the best games from Hoyoverse today, Zenless Zone Zero. The all-star point guard, equipped with Intel Arc graphics and a 14-inch OLED display, delivers sharp, crystal-clear visuals with every frame, like seeing the entire floor in high def. With Intel Xe Super Sampling, or XeSS, running the show, AI enhances every detail in real time, helping you sharpen your gameplay like a coach's fine-tuning strategy. The 100% DCI P3 color gamut on the display keeps things smooth, ensuring no fast break is missed. And with the Bang & Olufsen dual speaker, every in-game moment echoes like the perfect swoosh, putting you right in the center of the action.
And at the other guard slot, the Speed Demon.
Every team needs a slasher to disrupt the pace, and the Omen's got that covered with its Intel Core Ultra 9 processor. With its 5.1 GHz max clock speed and Intel Turbo Boost technology that dishes out speed and power like a fast break. Always a step ahead, it keeps the game moving with no lags or frame rate drops, keeping you ahead of the competition.
The man in the middle, the Strategist.
Another important member is a dominant center to control the paint, and Omen's got that with Intel Thread Director running the floor. Like a true big man, it juggles tasks effortlessly, ensuring smooth execution across the board. In the heat of battle, there's no room for hesitation, and that's where Intel Wi-Fi 7 steps up, keeping your game lag-free with next-gen connectivity like locking down the key and keeping opponents out of the lane.
And at the power forward position, the Resource Manager.
When you're in the game, a power forward maximizes every opportunity on the court, and the Omen Gaming Hub does the same for your setup. Like a true forward controlling the tempo, it lets you fine-tune everything from performance optimization to RGB customization, ensuring nothing goes to waste. And with the Thunderbolt 4 port, it's ready to take on any challenge, whether it's super fast charging, transferring massive files, or powering a secondary display, like dishing out assists and grabbing rebounds with ease.
And at the wing, the Endurance Champion.
When the game's on the line, you need a small forward who thrives under pressure. That's the Endurance Champ, staying cool, calm, and collected even in the toughest moments. With this laptop's advanced cooling system, it keeps its composure no matter how intense the gameplay gets. Like a scorer who never breaks a sweat, even when the defense is swarming him already.
The Omen Transcend 14 is the unit that brings you to championship glory, especially in the crucial seconds of the contest.
So, are you ready to meet your dream team? You don't have to worry because the Omen is an all-in-one dream team. This device lets you go anywhere, do anything, especially with its Intel Core Ultra 9 processor. If you're interested, this laptop is currently available on Shopee and Lazada. So, if you enjoyed this video or at least found it informative, do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok. And of course, visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose,
And this has been Miguel.
and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya!